Welcome, students. Today we will be learning how to make a colorful and wonderful rainbow using Python program. Let's get started. Start a new project. Give your project a name and save it. Delete the starter code. Import all functions from PyLeap library by writing from PyLeap import star. Let's define a function that will draw the rainbow. To define a function, we have to use the def keyword. After the def keyword, give the name of the function. For example, draw_rainbow. After the name, place opening and closing brackets and write DT inside those brackets. Enter the colon symbol and press enter. By pressing the enter button, you will get an indentation in the next line. This indentation represents that the next line of code is part of our function. Inside the function, we will make a series of circles to build our rainbow. Let's build our first circle. Click on the Functions button on the left side of the screen. Select the Create Circle option. This will automatically write the command to create the circle and save it in a variable named circle. Make sure this line of code is indented by pressing the Tab button. Since we will have multiple circles in our rainbow, let us change the name of the variable to Circle1. Note that variable names cannot have spaces inside them. In the next line, we will draw the Circle1 object. You can do this by writing circle1.draw. Do not forget to add braces after calling draw function. Now, let's get out of the function by removing the indentation. After the function definition, call the repeat function and pass the name of our function as the argument. The last line of code will be calling the run function. Click on the run button to test our program. Now that we have the circle on the output screen, let's modify it so that it looks like the outermost circle of the rainbow. X and Y coordinates inside the circle function are meant for the position of the circle. For the rainbow, we only want half of the circle. Change Y coordinate to 0. This will move the circle down and only half will be visible. Let's bring the circle towards the center of the window. Change the X coordinate to 320. Run to check the progress. Let's make this circle bigger by changing the radius. Set the radius to 250. Change the color to red. Now it looks like the outermost circle of the rainbow. Now that we have built the first circle, let's create the next one. Click on the Functions button and select the Create Circle button. Change the name of the variable to Circle2. Don't forget to indent the line inside the function. The X and Y coordinate will be the same as the previous circle. The radius of the second circle will be slightly smaller than the first one. Change the radius to 220. Change the color to orange. Write the code to draw the second circle in the next line. Run the program to test. As you can see, we now have 2 circles, and they are slowly taking the form of a rainbow. Make another 5 circles for the rainbow. Decrease the radius of each circle by the same amount, that is 30 pixels. I'll speed up the video for the drawing of these circles. To give a final touch, we will have to add one more circle having the same color as the backdrop. And there you have it, a vibrant rainbow. You can improve this rainbow by making the difference between the radius of each circle slightly less. As a practice, I would like you to build some clouds at the base of the rainbow. Clouds can be formed by drawing a few circles together. Good luck!